Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl TT Logan and I'm back again with another video. Same makeup look, yes, but it's another video, girl, because I'm trying to keep them rolling out. So anyway, my hair is up in a little situation because today I am going to be touching up my hair. Y'all, when I say my head look a hot mess, we're gonna go from this bullshit to this. So I had like the whole middle of my hair in just some regular crochets, like they weren't individuals like the rest, and that was very, very short-lived. They was dropping off left and right. So the products I'm using, y'all, are this Made Beauty Braid Modern Soft Locks 28 inches. They just look like this. And also, I don't still have the bag that this curly hair came in that I'm using to wrap the hair up, but I kind of already cut it and separated it and stuff, some of it anyway, so that's why it look real raggedy. But this how the hair looks. So if you can find like a curly texture hair like this is like the best how to use to wrap the Faux Locs with. And I really like how raggedy it look, y'all. Like, can't even explain. But anyway, so I had these just regular crochets in the middle of my hair, and I did not use any extra hair to secure my braids down, because my hair is real short right now, and it's real short, but it's really soft, so it don't take nothing for my braids to walk loose. So these Faux Locs was dropping off like flies. Okay, so I already started taking loose the ones that I'm gonna redo. I just cut them out and I'm taking all of this loose. These are not the easiest to remove, like, for the way that I did it. Probably because it's way in the back of my head. But I don't know, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's a little bit aggy. Or maybe I'm just aggravated with this hair. I cannot even tell you. But it's gonna be real nice when I'm done. So I also have here some Shining Jam, and I have my parting comb. If you don't know, I like to use a rat tail and I pop the teeth out the front. I like the strong rat tail combs, not them flimsy kind. And I like to use that. I also have here a crochet hook, just regular size, and a pair of scissors. All right, so all of those are out. I'm just gonna kind of comb this out some. One thing about with my hair short like this, I can do so much with my hair like you would not even believe. Well, first of all, my hair is like, it's never like long, but when I say short like this, I mean like actually when I cut my hair short like this. I cannot tell you how many times I have cut off my hair and started over. Okay, so let me move some of this out the way so I can see what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna turn so you can see what I'm doing. All right. I don't know if I already mentioned, but I also have some rubber bands here, and that's what I'm going to be using to do my parts. I'm not going to be braiding my hair at all. And when I do the rubber bands, I'm not going to take it all the way to the root. Just make sure I have everything in the ponytail. Okay, so just like this, hopefully you can see that. Like, there's a lot of leeway between my scalp and the rubber band. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the rubber bands first. Gonna move everything to this side now. So I take my crochet hook, I stick that through the lock first. Then I like to come up underneath the rubber band, grab the end. I put, hold on, I'll snap my hair. So I put the end of the lock through the hook. And I close it, pull that out, and then lock that in. All right, so now take my curly hair, separate it, or split it in half. Okay. All right, so close it, pull that through, pull this down. I'm just covering up the black hair best as I can. You're not gonna cover up every single inch of your hair, whether it be with black hair, blonde hair, red hair. You're just not gonna get it all unless somebody else doing your hair and they can see what they're doing all over your head. But for the most part, I think styles like this look so much better when it's not perfect. Like, I feel like that's when they look best, when they just look like, I don't want to keep saying raggedy, but when I say raggedy, I mean like frayed and worn, stuff like that. I feel like that's when these styles really look nice. Like, even as they get older, they look even better to me, in my opinion. So just doing the same steps now. It's pretty repetitive. Now, I don't know if this is the way that other people do their faux locks. I just kind of do what I find best works for me and my hairstyles and my hair type. But yes, leaving that rubber band like halfway down feels so much better on my scalp. I pray it stay that way. Okay, y'all, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. It took so long. My shoulders hurt so bad, y'all, reaching like that. Oh my gosh. But yeah, for the most part, this is my little raggedy toe down faux locks, and I like them just like this. I like how all this all my little black hair is coming through, because like I said, with these kind of styles, I just like when they get old. I like them better that way. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. I will be uploading videos on Tuesday, so be ready, be prepared. I cannot tell you what time, but just look for me on Tuesday, y'all. Yes, ma'am.